Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and Katie just wanted to show you. She had her bath yesterday. I have to comb her out, but I have to show you. The static electricity. It is so dry in here. Katie, can you wave? That's a good girl. Here's your reward. It is so dry in here that my hair and Katie's hair is like shoot, and my dolls, the sticks for their stands are like, I don't know, they're getting smaller, and they're like, oh, wood. What are you gonna do? I am so blessed. I say it all the time, but I am so blessed. My husband supports my hobby, obsession, and I support his. And that's the way it should be. But we do drop a lot of bucks. We recently made a trip to Chicago, and on the way up, and even before that, I had found some Shadow High Series 1 for $11, and I bought some extra because this fall I'd like to do some collabs, and I'd like to send a doll to people so that we can do the same kind of thing. It's fun. I've done that several times. I've done it since the beginning of my channel. I used to do it with Barbie dolls all the time, and beginner sewers, and I would come up with something really easy for them to make. Anyway, so I've been buying a lot of those, and then you saw my other video where I got all the costume Rainbow High dolls and Shadow High dolls, and we went back. Yes, I'm spoiled. Why did I buy the same dolls again? Well, for one thing, $15? I mean, come on. Look at the Shadow High custom ball. Yeah, I'm going to show them again because they're absolutely gorgeous. I got two of each one, didn't I? I'm pretty sure I got 2 of each one so that I can leave one in a box.
2, 10, 20.
And also take one out of the box if I want to. I absolutely love the spiderweb outfit. And I love that they reuse the same dolls and, you know, that already have a part in the series and gave them something for the ball. This is my favorite. Belle is one of my favorite Rainbow High dolls. I absolutely love her. She's cute, pretty, and beautiful all at the same time. And that's a rare thing in human beings and dolls. I wasn't going to get this one because it was marked, I don't know, 29, but it was the last one, and I asked the lady there would she be marking it down, and I got that, the Silver Musician for 15. So I asked, and she said, well, I could go down to 22 something, let me check. Well, she did, and I bought. So I'm thrilled with that. And then the first 2 times in Walmart, I did not get this. I sew for my dolls, so I rarely dress them, sometimes for display, but I rarely dress them in their original clothes. But for $19, the case alone, the clothes alone, actually, some of those outfits alone, are worth the $19. So I went ahead and got that. And then my husband, he is so good to me. They had these little, what is the name? Miniverse Make It Mini Foods. And Tina from Tina's Reborns and More had sent me one of these just the other day. And we really did have fun with it. We didn't get it. We made a mess, but it was fun and it turned out cute in the end. Now that I know how to do it, he bought me one of these, and I'm sure he bought me another one. Yeah, he bought me 2 on another day. Maybe that was in the last haul, or is this it? Oh, I have.
Yep, it's that bag.
I have so much here. This bag?
Yep.
So he bought me 2. This is actually 2 days haul. We went to Walmart the day after Valentine's Day to get half-price candy. Somebody beat us to the good stuff. But he bought me one then, and then we went back, and he bought me another. I also got this. I'm going to open that in a minute and see if these fit a midi Blythe. Because if they do, the $2 is worth that swimsuit. And if the shoes fit, how fun would that be? Here's some candy. We got half price. What was it, like 70 something cents or 68 cents?
Yeah, 64 cents.
They had fabric. I'm always making skirts and doing different things, making outfits for dolls and stuff. I thought this would be really cute on my elf baby doll. And since we're doing those monthly collabs now and challenges, I thought I would grab this. Also really pretty for, what do you call it? American Girl. So I got those, and, oh, and I got one of these on one day, and then another day, the other day that we went. And, oh, I got some flowers for an upcoming collab. And more of these beads. I love these beads, and they look so pretty with the pink hair or the blue hair or the purple hair or a combination of. Really like them. So I got more while they had them. And I got this. We're supposed to be meeting another YouTuber soon, and I thought that would be fun to take. And like I said, I got, oh, look, don't let Darren see. I got 3 of those. They had glitter, which I've been using more of for different things, including my glitter train, for $2. There's a lot of color choices in there, and I know the camera won't pick it up, but this is high shine, like really high shine. And I got 2 of these because this will work out in so many different ways for the doll clothes. So I got 2 of those. Now, is that all the Walmart? I think that's all the Walmart. On Friday, we went to some antique stores, and they had this bag half price. These are, what are they called? Rock Island? Not Rock Island. Rock Flower dolls. Made by Mattel in the 1970s. They were marked $7. I was considering it, and I thought, what are you going to do with them? When you get them home, then what? Well, Darren said, you know, those are half price. That booth is half price. So I got both these dolls for $3.50. Could not pass them up for that. They had this fabric. What did I pay for this fabric? Like $3.50 or something, wasn't it? I think it was like $3.50. And I opened it up, and there's like 3 or 4 yards. And again, I'm always sewing for the dolls, and I'm always looking for holiday prints. How cute is that? And that'll work for a Blythe doll. Like, you could do this for the top of the dress and then have this for the skirt, because Blythes are so whimsical, and with their big heads, it works. And is there anything else in here? There is. These are for my friend Jean Stanton, who takes these takes these antique, vintage and antique hankies and makes the most beautiful, beautiful Blythe outfits out of. And I told her I would look for those for her. She said that the antique stores near her, she had bought them all up and they weren't replacing. I got this for Peaches, who is my whimsicalblythe.com website mascot. That was really cute. I think I'm gonna make her a yellow coat or neon coat. She has that orange hair, but I just thought that was really cute. And it was $2.50. I mean, that's cheap enough. And I want to knit. I don't knit yet. They had this cute outfit for a Tim doll. This is me. For $4.50. And I noticed that not only would this fit a Blythe, look at the hat. So this is also a big-headed doll. I am unfamiliar with them. I'm sure a lot of you know what that is, but I did not. Oh, this is for Jean, too. This was a separate antique store that we had gone in, and I got that really pretty. Darren and I go to train shows a lot, and I'm going to have to cut this. And I usually take a doll with me and we film, and I move my doll around with some of the train stuff and up on the displays where the trains are set up. And I said, you know what I need? I need a little doll. I wanted a girl that I could change her clothes, But I found this for $1.25, and I thought, you know what? I'm getting him. And a monkey. I could show it on Mondays. How cute is that? And he's some of the train sizes. Not exact, but close enough. Okay, I'll open this in a minute. We went to a garage sale near our home, and they had some cool stuff. These are like, I don't know, hard plastic. They're weird. They have these in the free booth. We have vintage and antique bikes out in front of our house. It's a long story. We're going to try again putting them out. So I got these for the baskets. I don't know if Darren can cut this down or what that's going to take. Oh, and there's those coins I found. And they had these coins, RC coins, RC Cola coins on the free table. And I thought that'd be cute for some of my dolls. I don't want to knock that off the table. This was in the free stack, and that's a really good size for my 38-inch Barbies. I don't know if I'll ever use it, but you know me, I don't want to get to the day where I say, oh man, you know what would have been perfect, and it was free. I should have got it. Darren got some 1920 music, which is really fun. This is guitar music, which is perfect. We dink at playing guitars. We haven't in a long time. We used to play together and sing and all of that. We don't anymore. Haven't for a while. We went on to other obsessions. And then I need new shirts to wear in my YouTube videos. So they had, let me see if I can get this. It's kind of wrapped around the hanger here. Here we go. They had a couple of shirts, and I bought them. Perfect. I like them. Cute enough. How's that? So I got these. I think they were $1 each. And then the last thing I got, if I don't get these broke, we have ceiling fans in all but 2 of our rooms, the kitchen and the bathroom. And one upstairs in the doll nook. The bells, there's a broken bell, and they had these for $0.25. And I haven't looked at it. Every one of them has different bells. So I couldn't remember what they were like. These were 25 cents each. I thought, you know what, I'm going to get them. Because I look at garage sales, they have them, and I think, oh, I'm not sure. So I'm going to see. And I thought, I think there's 4 bells in that one, and I thought, well, I could do every other one if not. So that is my haul. Can you believe I got more Rainbow High dolls? And you want to know a secret? They have, I don't know her name, forgive me. She's the golden doll that is the musician, not for this band, but for the other band, or another band. She's still at $30, and we're going back by today to see if they marked her down to $15 or $20, because I want her, and I might want 2 of her so that I can take it out of the box. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.